ಹಲೋ ವಿವರ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ಸೂತ್ರಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಘಾತಾಂಕಗಳ ನಿಯಮಗಳು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. Second one, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. Third one, a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m into n. Fourth one, a to the power of m into b to the power of m is equals to ab whole to the power of m. Fifth one, a to the power of m by b to the power of m is equals to a by b whole to the power of m. Sixth one, a to the power of 0 is equals to 1. Seventh, a to the power of minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power of m. Eighth one, a by b whole to the power of minus m is equals to b by a whole to the power of m. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.